All around the world, people have reported hearing strange, unexplained sounds coming from the sky. The sounds are often described as trumpets, hums, or low-frequency vibrations that shake the air. Some people record them, but scientists cannot fully explain their origin. These mysterious hums have been reported in Europe, North America, and Asia alike. Some believe natural phenomena, like tectonic activity or atmospheric conditions, may cause them. Others think it could be secret military experiments or unknown technology. The sounds sometimes last seconds, other times 4 minutes, baffling everyone who hears them. Videos of these phenomena go viral online, leaving viewers shocked and curious. Despite recordings and sightings, no one has conclusively explained the strange sky sounds. The world continues to wonder what really causes these eerie sounds from the sky.